I'm about to say something that's probably going to make a lot of people angry, but a lot of people called me as a tax lawyer telling me that the IRS was going to go away, the IRS was going to be abolished just because Trump got elected and all the Doge cuts. But the IRS is not going away. And what a lot of people don't realize, and this is not for my own vested interest, I'm just telling you how it works, is a lot of the lower level issues with the IRS, like automated underreporter notices, which adds taxes to people's returns that don't properly report all their income, or collection cases, is done with ACS, which is the automated collection system. They have automation and algorithms built out for low-level exams and low-level collections. And so they've just been they turned that machine on and they are sending out levy notices. There are clients that I haven't heard from 2, 3, 4 years, right? Because they were trying to make it to the statute of limitations. So sometimes people come and then they're like, well, I'm just going to wait and see what happens because I'd rather try to make it to the statute of limitations. I filed probably 10, 15 collection due process appeals, which stops collection activity. So if you don't know what that is, if you owe back taxes, it's an LT11, a 1058, and if you own a business, a CP 297, which I haven't seen in a long time because most of my people that own businesses have payroll tax issues, and that goes to a field agent. And some people are like, well, I thought they got rid of a lot of the field agents. They did, but all my cases that actively have field agents have been reassigned, and they're trying to levy people's bank accounts. So I'm always of the person, I'm not operating from fear. I'm operating from educating and informing taxpayers of their rights. So if you have a back tax problem, you probably want to do something about it. Especially if you're getting automated letters. How do I know if I'm in ACS? You're getting letters that start with CP. CP stands for computer process. So that's how you know that stuff's being automated. And you probably need to do something if you don't want the letters to continue. Now, if you've got one of the letters I listed, you need to file a collection due process appeal. I have other videos showing you step-by-step how to do that. Even if you didn't go find one of my videos, it's pretty simple. All you do is crazy. You're going to read the letter. And on the letter, it comes with a collection due process appeal form. And then you're going to fill out the form. And then you're going to send it to the address on the letter with a copy of the letter. And that will stop them from levying your bank account or garnishing your wages, meaning taking money out of your paycheck. So the IRS is not going anywhere. So let's not pretend like it is. I don't operate as if something's going to exist unless that's the law. And that's how you should operate too. Because your financial future is too important to take a letter and throw it in the trash can. Okay? Have a good weekend. And don't let it get that far.